Hello, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to upload a video from YouTube into your WordPress blog. It's actually quite easy. So I'm in my blog and I'm going to go to Edit and choose a new posting. So I have my posting. I'm going to title it YouTube. And I'm going to type in what I want to type in. I've already typed it in, so I'm copying and pasting it. I'm going to check my link. I just want to make sure when I do that it's open in a new window or tab and update. I don't want people to have people on my blog and then to have it overwritten. So because I don't have this, I've just copied and pasted it in, I'm just going to click on the insert or edit link. That one's not even linked. Whoops, that it was. I had too much there. So let's try this again. It's still there. So I'm going to get rid of all of that. And we're going to open in a new tab and say okay. So now I want to be able to have people go to or view the video right here on my site. And to do that, I'm going to go to Add Media. And I'm going to add it from a URL. So here is my YouTube video. Notice Share. I'm going to double click on that and copy it. Command C on a Mac, Control C on a Windows. And I'm going to highlight that and paste in the code. There is my YouTube video. And I'm going to click Insert into Post. So here it says Embed into Post. So that's one way I can do it. I just add media and insert. Another way I can do it is to do the embed. And generally this is the way I do most of my videos, is I use the embed code just because it's what I'm familiar with. So this is all that embed code, and when you first do it, all you're going to see is the embed code. You can click Show More. You can change the size. You can suggest videos when it's done. You can do different things. Then you double click on this and you copy it. Doing it this way gives you a little more control. Come back to your blog, and now this works in a blog. It works in Google. It works in Blogger. It works in any LMS system. If you're in Blackboard, D2L, whatever it may be, it works. Go to HTML. This is all the coding. Notice, and if you start to look, you can kind of start to read the following link, and it opens up to a blank page that tells you that the target is blank. It's not going to overwrite your blog. And then you have these spaces. So you can either delete, or I just generally leave them. And I'm going to paste in that code. My width is 480. My height is 360. Here's the link. It says embed. It says there's a frame border of 0, which means there's no border. And it allows the video to go full screen. So it'll take you to YouTube and you can make it your whole screen. And then the end of iframe. So the beginning of iframe, the end. And I go back to visual. Now you can see it and what it looks like. I'm going to preview it. So it's loading my preview. And there it is. So I have two. They look pretty darn identical, don't they? So it's really a choice up to you. Both of them go full screen. I think we're pretty good to go. So I'm actually going to delete this one, and I'll let that other one go. And it didn't like delete there. I deleted it. And if I want to check to make sure it's deleted, I can go to that HTML and make sure there's nothing below here. And there is nothing below. Then I want to give this some tags or some categories. So I'm going to enter my tag of YouTube and tutorial. And what else do I want to do to this? I think that's probably good. And I'm going to publish. So now it is publishing, and I can see the green line here. It just published, so I'm going to view the post. And here it is. So it tells you, different things that you can do, what the tag is for YouTube. So that is how you put a YouTube video into WordPress. Enjoy!